So we are going to see how to use the tool. So you can head over to edu.angriz.com and log in with your account. So we'll go through the basic flow first mainly. So the idea is you can select any one of the predefined style. So this will be something like Lego, this will be like anime, this will be like hand drawn crayon, this will be like South Park caricature. So I'll just take the crayon style. I'll give a prompt. Okay. Plans. So you have two options to select from. The quicker one will have basic animation, and the higher quality will take a longer. But yeah, so that's that. So I'll just press create. Yeah, so the job has been, the video generation has been added to the queue, so it will take some time, like up to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I will go through the rest of the things. So this is an existing story. You see, this is made from the quick mode, where you can see.
Something's not right up here. The Earth's protective shield seems weaker than usual. Help, Superman! Our factory's cooling system is malfunctioning, releasing harmful chemicals into the air. Those chemicals are dangerous. They can damage Earth's ozone layer.
So yeah, so we can see like the actions, they don't move their hands, they're just dancing. So this is the quick mode. The generation is a bit faster here, and then let's see the other options. What else you can do. So this is script. Let's say you want to edit it. You can edit the dialogues over here, rearrange the sequence, insert dialogues, and update. I will just show the main another feature. Let's say you want the video in Hindi. This can be automated, but this is how we do via UA. So I'll just start it. It will like rate limited the system, so it will take some time to translate the dialogues. Yeah, so now it's translated. You can see the edit translated section, and see it's like it will be like in English. I'm using Sarvam's conversational API, so it will be like in English. So you can see there is English word and Hindi word. This is the default text, and this is the translated. So the dialogues are there. Once you are comfortable with the dialogue, you can just go to regenerate audio, select the language, and regenerate. Now the script will regenerate the audio in Hindi. Yeah, this is the generation that we gave as prompt, so it's like generating the actions for the character. Yeah, I think the audio is generated. If I go to the preview, now it will speak in Hindi.
Something's not right.
I'll just refresh. There is some cookie issues, so I'll just manually delete the files, then I will refresh.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यहाँ। अर्थ का प्रोटेक्टिव शील्ड आम दिनों से कमजोर लग रहा है। सुपरमैन, हमारी फैक्ट्री का कूलिंग सिस्टम खराब है और हार्मफुल केमिकल्स हवा में रिलीज कर रहा है। वो केमिकल्स बहुत डेंजरस हैं। वो अर्थ के ओजोन लेयर को डैमेज कर सकते हैं। सूरज की हार्मफुल रेज से हमारी नेचुरल ओजोन लेयर धरती का सनस्क्रीन जैसा है। ये सभी लाइफ को डेंजरस अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन से
So this is the source one. For now, you can manually delete the when you're translating. I think there is some bug. You can manually delete it to see how it works. But yeah, so this is the script. These questions is something that I was trying. If you see here, this is a shareable link. You can just give it to anyone. The use is not perfect. So I was testing where once the video is done, it will ask questions based on the concept. So this was something that I was trying. And So that's the quiz section. And then there will be images. Let's say you want to update the character. The idea is like if you are working on the editor, if you are creating content via the editor, you can just then prompt here and update. It will take some, like I don't want to stress the server at this point. Yeah. So these are the locations that are used in the scene. So that's what you are seeing. Yeah. And just go and check if the other one is ready. Yeah, this spider one is ready now. So go here. Here the animation we have selected cartoon style, crayon style. So you can see the art style will be a bit different over here. And you will see the characters doing a bit more action. We asked you to generate about plants.
MJ, I've discovered something amazing. These plants up here are like superheroes, just like Spider-Man.
Really, Peter? How are plants like superheroes?
Watch this. These leaves are like solar panels. They have an incredible superpower called photosynthesis.
Wahaha! I'll cover the city in smoke and darkness.
Oh no. Without sunlight, the plants can't make food through photosynthesis. Plants provide us with oxygen and food. I can't let you hurt them.
Spider-Man, use the garden sprinklers to clear the smoke.
Great idea. Just like plants need water to survive.
No, water is my weakness. I'm dissolving.
See, MJ? Plants are incredible. They make their own food using sunlight, water, and air.
And they give us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. They really are superheroes.
That's right. Just like Spider-Man protects the city, plants protect our planet. We need to take care of them.
Now I understand why you love this garden so much, Spider-Man. Plants truly are amazing.
I mean, to be honest, a bit more actions can be added. For example, the mouth alone can be animated. Like it will take a bit longer also, and it's costly, so I've disabled it at this point. But yeah, you can see the story goes something like there is smoke covering the city, like stopping the photosynthesis, and then they tell, okay, photosynthesis is this. To fix it, let's clear the smoke by pouring water over the city so that the plants can make story, things like that. So if you want to export video with the UI, you can just click export and it will take some time. Yeah. So this is pretty much, yeah. Just look at export. Yeah, just get started to export. And this thing works better in Chrome. It doesn't work in Safari at this point. If it's something like Chrome or Chrome based browser, it works fine, and it's preferable to try in PC because of the UI. The UI is not perfect for mobile at this point. And this includes its kind of credits, like because it cost me every time when I used to sign up, I give them like 500 credits to generate video. Each video will be like 150 to 120 credits. So can save video.
MJ, I've discovered something amazing. These plants up here are like superheroes, just like Spider-Man.
Really, Peter? How are plants like superheroes?
Watch this. These leaves are like solar panels. They have an
Yeah, you can share. So you can either download and share, or you can just share this link with people. Again, the UI will be kind of broken at this point, but you get the idea. It's not perfect, but yeah, it's like a player alone can just share it to people. So that's pretty much it.